Marine Invertebrates, Week 1.
Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea, Learn in 90 seconds. Today I'm going to be giving you an introduction to marine invertebrates. Over the next 6 weeks we will dive into the different phylums of marine invertebrates, as well as the classes within these. Then over the following 5 weeks I will cover marine vertebrates and the way these are divided up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications to be notified when I post the next instalment. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone inside their body. Invertebrates are animals that don't have a backbone. They may have a soft body like jellyfish or a hard outer casing like crabs. There are different groups of marine invertebrates and vertebrates that exist in the marine environment. Today we're going to talk marine invertebrates.
Marine invertebrates are divided into 5 phylums: Cnidaria, Porifera, Mollusca, Echinodermata and Arthropoda. The phylum Cnidaria is divided into 5 classes: Hydrozoa, Cyphozoa, Anthozoa, Cubozoa and Staurozoa. The phylum Porifera is divided into Calcarea, Hexanctinellida and Demospongia. The phylum Mollusca is divided into 7 classes: Gastropoda, Bivalvia, Polyplacophora, Cephalopoda, Scaphalopoda, Aplacophora and Monoplacophora. Echinodermata is divided into Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea, Crinoidea and Holothuriidea. Arthropoda is divided into Trilobitomorphia, Chelicerates and Crustacea.
So that was a quick overview of marine invertebrates. Come back next week to learn all about Cnidaria. Thank you very much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye for now.